underwear, towel, hoodie, more underwear, jeans, shorts, trackies, trainers. I think that is it. Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are well. And welcome to episode 1 of my Scotland trip. Now, if you're just tuning in or you don't know what I'm up to, I am not doing the NT 500. This is basically a trip of sort of the west of Scotland. The guys I'm going with have done the NT 500 before. They said it's brilliant, they loved it, highly recommend it, but they preferred the west side of the country. So that's basically where we're going. We are going to be touring the west side of Scotland, and I presume sort of some of the north and some other areas, but mainly the west side, as far as I'm aware. From what I know, we are staying in a place called Tummel. I'll put a little picture up somewhere up here. That's where we're planning to stay. It's going to take us roughly about 8 hours-ish to get there. I think it's about 470 miles, I think, from where I live. So obviously I leave tomorrow, and the plan is I am meeting 2 guys at Audi car park at 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. And then we ride down to Montford, meet up with 2 of the other guys. And then a little bit further, we pick up Paul's brother, who will then join in the back, and then that's all 6 of us together. The bikes that are going in, obviously you're going to have me on my S1000XR. You have Paul on his Suzuki V-Strom 650. You have Alan on his Triumph Tiger 800. You have Stuart on his KTM 1050, I think it is. You have Roger on his Suzuki Bandit 1200. You have Eric on his Kawasaki Versys. So a nice mixture of bikes going. I've been away with these guys before. We went to the Lake District. Obviously, as we know, didn't get much footage there because issues with cameras. But we have got contingencies this time. So fingers crossed I get some decent footage. Staying in one of them sort of static caravan things. We've done this in the Lake District. It actually worked out really, really well. Apart from Alan getting up at like 4 o'clock every morning and deciding to make breakfast, and I was staying in the living room area. It was not fun. So I think that's Alan's room from now on, the living room, because he seems to get up at like 4 in the morning. I don't understand why, but it's an old man thing, I think. Anyway, really, really looking forward to it. It's been planned for a good few months now. So, and the best thing about it, looking at the weather, currently, it's meant to be really nice the whole week we're there. I thought I could have to just bin all this off, just take my stop box and take waterproof clothing, and that's me sorted. But apparently not. It's going to be really nice weather. So, and for today is to pack all my stuff up in panniers, obviously get the tap box sorted out, get the bike cleaned. Yes, I know I'm cleaning the bike before I go away. You may think that's a bit pointless, but for me, in my head, I need it to be clean, you know, do the chain and all that sort of stuff, a little bit of maintenance before I go. So I know the bike's in tip-top condition. Make sure I get everything, happy with everything I've got. Lay out my clothes for tomorrow morning, because I'll be getting up at like sort of 5:15 tomorrow morning. Get myself sorted, and then make my way to Scotland. I'm going to be honest with you, I probably won't say a lot, if anything at all, in the morning, because I'm not really much of a morning person. I mean, I don't even speak to my wife first thing in the morning, so I very much doubt I'm going to be speaking to cameras first thing in the morning. So heads up now, I might just sort of have a little bit of a wave in the morning, but I won't speak to you until we get to probably our first stop. The plan for the stops are doing 3 stops. Our bike will do about 180 miles roughly to a full tank. So if we're looking at stopping at 150 miles for a leg stretch and a refuel. So I'll probably speak to you in the first stop, let you know how the first ride's going. And then and then we'll just go from there, really. If you want to follow our little journey around Scotland, please by all means subscribe to the channel. Obviously, got a good few videos coming up now for my little trip. So I'm going to get the bike, I'll get loaded up, get the bike clean, and I'll see you in the morning. Easy. Well, as you can see, we made it. Now, set up in our little home from home for the week. It's all right. It's a typical little caravan, really, nothing special, but it'll do us. It's just get our head down, and we'll be out most of the day, every day. So yeah, so get our head down and drop our stuff off, really. So yeah, as you can see, the ride was eventful. I say eventful, it wasn't eventful at all. It was just a little bit of traffic to deal with. I mean, all I've done is obviously rode to here, but from what I've seen so far, the scenery and the roads they're just phenomenal. They're absolutely amazing. So I am really looking forward to this week. It's been a good week. What I'll do is I'll introduce you to the guys tomorrow, probably at some point, and I'll show you around the bikes tomorrow as well. But tonight it's going to be literally just plenty of drink, because it's been actually really warm here. I think it's been about sort of 21 degrees. So yeah, plenty of water, plenty of drink. Gonna relax for the evening, probably have an early night, to be honest, and then start all over again tomorrow. Well, actually start the actual holiday tomorrow. Can't wait. It's gonna be phenomenal. Really good. I'm proper excited, as you can tell. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. If you're interested in seeing what we get up to over the next week, don't forget to subscribe, and I shall speak to you all on the next video. Catch you later.
I believe this is our first stop, the Queen's View Visiting Centre. It's closed, by the looks of it.
Yeah, that road is good fun.
Honestly, it's great, isn't it? I absolutely love it. Ah, what? Eric! River Gary! Gary! Just look at this. This is absolutely, oh well, you know it is. It's absolutely stunning. Look at it. That is great.